When a GMC air conditioning system starts blowing hot air, the blend door actuator has likely lost its internal positioning memory. This electronic component controls the temperature doors behind the dashboard, and a digital glitch will leave you sweating in the cabin. You do not need expensive dealership diagnostic tools to solve this specific electrical communication error. A manual hard reset forces the climate control module to wipe its current data and relearn the exact physical limits of the temperature doors. First, park the truck and make sure the ignition key is completely removed from the cylinder. Open the passenger side door and locate the interior fuse block cover on the right side of the instrument panel. Remove the plastic cover and consult the diagram on the back to locate the HVAC control module fuse. Use a plastic puller tool to extract this specific 10 or 15 amp fuse from the block. Leave the fuse completely disconnected for a full 60 seconds to drain all residual capacitor power from the climate module. This step is critical because rushing the timeline will prevent the system memory from clearing completely. Reinsert the fuse securely and put the ignition into the accessory position without actually starting the engine. Do not touch any buttons or dials on the climate control panel while the system powers up. You will hear a series of faint, mechanical clicking noises from behind the glove box as the actuators cycle through their full range of motion. Give the system 3 full minutes to establish its new calibration endpoints. Once the clicking stops, start the engine and turn the air conditioning to the maximum cooling setting. The vents should immediately deliver ice-cold air, confirming the mechanical reset was successful.